Hello, my name is Skylar, and today I'll be doing my hardware video on about installing a hard drive into a computer. And our computer today that I'll be doing it on is the Optiplex 760. It is it's quite an older model, but this is a good base to start at. So the hard drive that we'll be installing is a Western Digital hard drive. It's 500 gigs, and I got this a while back. I purchased it on Facebook Market, and I'll be showing you how to install it. So we can go ahead and open the side of the case. Just one pull, just pop right out. Now if we look at the inside of the case, we will be able to locate our hard drive compartment. It is at the lower corner there. So we can pull out the hard drive, one of the compartments here, in order to install it. This is what it looks like. It basically just holds the hard drive in place, and we can just slap this hard drive into the holder here. Alright, so I just put together the hard drive together, and it should just slide right in. There we go. Alright, it's in and it's secure. Now we just need to hook up the SATA cables. We got this blue one here that we can hook up to. I believe this is a 3 GB SATA cable. Okay, there we go. And hook up this. Make sure it's tight. Okay. Alright, now that we're done installing it, let's just put back the computer case back on, and we are done with our installation here. Alright, secure. And that is how you install a hard drive for a computer